Now if we draw something, just simply if I create some line here as per my requirement. So how you will zoom in and zoom out your that drawing or that AutoCAD page? So just simply rotate your or scroll your scrolling button from mouse. Simply rotate your mouse. Just see, rotate your mouse and it will also move. And now they have a good technique. Suppose you need to zoom that point. So how will do that? Simply take your mouse here or mouse cursor here and move, I mean zoom. Then see, this option will zoom. And again, if you want to zoom out, then simply zoom out. And if you want to see here as a main object, then just take your mouse here and zoom. Just see, this option will appear on you. So in this way you can appear and disappear your model or your project as per your requirement by using that, then by using this scrolling button of your mouse.